Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So offended that I had to double check.
Woo. Oh, I like this seat. That's a first. I've never seen someone use a back seat for a front seat.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Everybody likes.
Yeah. Dude, above this isn't fully flush yet, so is it like just flexing like crazy? Yeah.
I got it big.
Okay. Woo. It's windy, yeah. This thing's flexing crazy.
I was falling and I put it in because I was falling in the room.
Temporary. Whoa. You want to give me a walk around real quick of what you got? You want to turn it down all the way and give me a walk around, just an intro of everything on here for a video?
Yeah.
If you want to turn it down and give me an intro. What subs are these?
65.
So you have 6 of them.
65.
Fourth order?
Yeah, I have 4th order.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
What's it tuned to?
It's 42.
42?
Yeah, 42.
Wow. What do you meter? Have you metered it yet?
No, I haven't metered
You haven't
yet.
metered? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you and him are like on a team together? Or?
It's my brother.
It is? Okay.
Yeah, he's my brother. That one is my brother.
Okay. Awesome. Okay.
We're brothers.
What? Can I check out the amp in the back for the video? Appreciate it. Dude, that was windy. So how much battery power in amps?
100 amps, 100 ampere, CMAX. Yeah, and single alternator, 390.
Okay. 2 of 7500s?
Yeah, 270.
What are they wired to?
167.
6.7?
Yeah.
Oh wow, does this work?
Yeah.
Really? It's working! You got like an AC blowing on it. You want to see your alternators? Your alternators? My alternators?
Can't go 50-50 with no
Be sure to add
just simply the best mix. DJ Rustical. Can't go 50-50 with no
Be sure to be subscribed to my channel, Jacob Viral, for daily car audio videos.
Niggas asking if I'm cool. I'm upset.
That's pretty windy. Whoa. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed the video. Dude, that is crazy.
100,000 on my head is disrespect.
C-Max. Oh, they're gonna pass C-Max. Yeah, that's crazy.
Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel Jacob Viral for daily car audio videos. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.